Have you guys ever seen someone juggling and wondered how do they do that? Well, I have, and because of that, I decided to learn how to. A lot of people think of juggling as like very complex, probably, and like think it'd be hard to do and take a lot of practice, but really it doesn't. I hope I can teach you guys just in this 5 minutes. So yeah, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to juggle with 3 balls, and I'm gonna take you through some steps to kind of like get you ready for it and get some practice in. So you'll be good at juggling like me. So first thing you want to do is like you want to get your positioning right. Like you obviously want to be balanced. You want to have your arms like at your side right here. And you want to have your hands like this, because then like the motion's in. It's like a scooping motion, and you want it like you want the ball going up in the same place every time. You want the same throw, so you want to try and keep your arms in the same spot like this. And so like when I started learning, I start off with 1 ball like I am now. And you can, I forgot to mention, like you can use any ball, just use anything you can to juggle, like preferably something that fits in your hand. But I mean, you can really use anything. Like this is my dog's toy I'm using because I don't have anything else to juggle with. But yeah, just make sure it's something that you're comfortable with, like so you can actually juggle it. And so yeah, to start off, I would just get one and just get used to the motion. You want to have like the throw like scooping in sort of, and then going up. And you want it about like head height, and you don't want to. You want to keep the ball like pretty much in line. What I mean is like you want it to stay like this far away. Like you don't want it going all the way out here or like too close to you. So yeah, just try and like work your hardest to kind of get the hang of like having it pretty even, and like make sure you're in like that scooping in motion like right here when you're throwing it up, because you're gonna have to, when you move on to like 2 or 3 balls, you're gonna have to be throwing it like inside sort of, so you don't hit, and so you just keep like a rhythm going. And so now we'll move on to the 2nd ball, and this is where things get a little bit harder, but it's not too hard. So the main thing you want to do is you want to throw the 2nd ball once the 1st ball gets like its max height, then you throw the 2nd one. So like that, it's not too hard. So I'd say just do that a few times, get comfortable with that. And then just make sure the 2nd ball you throw is going like on the inside of the other one. So, because if you try and go like on the outside, that's not gonna work. It's just gonna go flying. So yeah, just get this down pretty good, and then try starting with your other hand, like your weak hand. That sometimes throws you off a little bit, but you just want to be comfortable with both hands going, and then start like alternating like that. And you'll start to get the hang of it. Remember, still try to get like that scooping motion in, like that. You're scooping inside like that, sort of. And, like keep remembering like your positioning too. Like it may not look like I was doing it. Like sometimes it's hard to remember, but just like keeping your arms like that, because that'll help you a lot. And also focus on like when you're releasing it. You want to release it like right when you get even, because you know if you do it too early, it's gonna go out. Too late, it's gonna go in. So just also working on like work on like the timing of your release. And then once you get the hang of that, just do that until you're comfortable with it. And keep alternating. Yeah, even I mess up sometimes, but it's pretty easy. And then move on to the 3rd ball. And this, it's not too hard. You'll just have to work on it a little bit. Like I'm still not even that good at it, but like, I know enough to teach it. But so the key is you never want to have 2 balls in one hand besides when you start. And it's pretty much the same pattern, except so you just throw this one up. It's pretty simple. So once you can get that down, like just keep working on that. Just go one at a time at first. So this ball up, that ball. So like on this 2nd ball you throw on its way down, and you throw the other one like that. And then once you get the hang of that, start working on maybe getting like 2 in a row, something like that. And then you can work up to like 4 and start trying to go as many times as you can. I can't even do that many times. But yeah, and try and keep like the scooping motion going. Like sometimes it's hard to do that. And like just make sure you have like a steady rhythm. And you don't want the balls colliding in the air too, so that's like the importance of keeping it like throwing the ball inside. So you can so they're not just colliding in the air, because that happens sometimes and completely throws you off. But yeah, just each ball, like you throw each ball right at the max height of the other one. And yeah, you just keep it going like that, and once you get like the basic rhythm of it down, it's easy, because you don't need two balls in one hand. It's just cycle, and it starts to get easy. And yeah, so I hope this video helped you guys learn how to juggle. And I feel like a lot of people might think it would take a long time to learn how to, but like I hope this just 5-minute video would help you guys learn how to do it. And I think it's pretty fun to do, and it makes you look pretty talented when really it's pretty simple. So I think it's a cool skill to have. And yeah, I hope this video helped you guys.